Hi guys, here we've got Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to update applications here. So first of all, you need to reach your Play Store. Now click on your account and go to Manage Apps and Device. Go to Updates Available, just let me stop the current one, and if you'd like to update one particular application, click on Update right next to its icon, but if you have more to update, just tap on Update All, and then it will be done. You can observe the progress here. Also, meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way and then just check the progress. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.